Hey viewers, my day off. Once again, I am privileged to be driven by
Hi
my
guys.
wife right there. And I don't get this lucky. Let me just be honest with myself. Most of the time, I am the guy behind the steering wheel. Not that she doesn't like driving. Actually, she does. But I have a problem. I don't know whether other men have the same problem. I like to drive myself. I don't like to be driven. But once in a while, and because I want to float, do I have a choice? I don't think so, Mr. Mutua. So today I'm being driven around. Both of us, we are not working. And let's see what America has to offer around. Today, actually I want to show you guys more about the train system in America, how it works. And let's head there. I'm driving towards what do you call the railway stations in some places, but here they call it train stations. So we are crossing this road right there. It's summertime here, guys. It gets so beautiful in America summertime. Serious landscaping right there. And actually this place is not crowded. Looks like I'm not seeing anybody walking around. There's a fence there. Usually you don't see, let me zoom it guys. Usually you don't see fence in America, but once in a while, garment installations, you see some fences.
This is called Asbury. It's a home for the older folks.
Oh guys, you had your house right there. Let me zoom it right there. So yeah, it's a home for the elderly. If you have some change when you get old, you can retire in this place. I know a little bit about them. I know they are not that cheap, they are expensive, so you need to have some change when you are turning 90 years old, guys. So let's continue with the journey as we head. Stop sign, Madam Driver, stop and go. So this is Asbury. It's still in Gaithersburg. This place is probably more than 20 acres. We've been driving for the last 2 minutes. I still see the fence. It's right there, guys. Let me show you. Maybe when I get home, that's where she will take me. Hey guys, what do you think? Oh my God. Who knows what's gonna happen when you get? Who knows? Your family knows, of course. They know what to do with you. I don't know what they do with me, what I'll do with her, whoever gets hold fast. Yeah, but definitely we'll retire somewhere. Who knows where? It's too early to discuss some of these issues. Now let's deal with life the way it is. Soft life, just like Mara says. Still, where are we? It says East Diamond Road. I'm seeing stop sign.
This is the old town.
Oh, this is Gators. Let me zoom in. Gaithersburg, Washington Fire Department. I see a flag right there. Alright. So we are still in Gaithersburg. And shortly we'll be in Rockville. We'll see the train station or railway station. Oh, this must be a old city.
That's why it's called Old Town.
Alright, old city. Let's see. So Gaithersburg, Old Town. Yeah, I can see the houses. You can tell this is old looking city. Let me show them around. Guys, I'm showing you. Let's travel together. We are making a right here. Oh, look at that. I just saw.
We're gonna go there.
Okay.
But before that, I have to make a U-turn.
We are crossing a railway.
Yeah. This one is clear for me to go because the gates are up.
That is the railway line right there. Right? Look at that. Think green, think clean. Oh my God, let me zoom. Those are our trucks that pick up waste. Alright. So this is the whole town. Get us back. I'm seeing United States Post Office right there. A railway crossing. We stop behind this truck. We run on clean burning natural gas. USA Post Office. Railway crossing again. Let me show you where it is. So we can go. I don't know whether there's a train coming. I don't think so because the barriers are not down. But I think it's because they want other vehicles. Those are turning to go. So it's there red. Those are the barriers right there. Let me zoom. You guys can see one on the other side right there. And this side is a tall one right there. Wow. Alright, I guess this railway runs all the way to Washington DC. And going back this way goes back towards home. This way, guys. See my finger? This way goes towards home. So we are crossing. There's a car ahead of me. Look at that. Get us back. Coffee shop. Let's see what's going on. I'm seeing an old train right there.
Let's see if I can take you there.
Let me see whether we can all go there and see what is happening. Sure, there's a parking. Oh yeah, this would be great, guys. We're gonna have a great day today, guys. Let's see some of these historic trains. Buffalo, right there.
It doesn't keep going.
But this way, sure, guys, pulling out. All right. See whether FR conversion. These cars usually actually they are used to transport disabled people with wheelchairs. That is why they have this thing at the bottom back here. Let me zoom it. FR conversions. So the back door opens up and there's a ramp, a lift gate that comes all the way down. So we are parking here. Stand up parking. Show you we are parking and it says, let me zoom, 2 hours parking, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. exactly Saturdays. So I believe you can park here for 2 hours and let's explore this place. So just parked. I am seeing something here. Let me see. That says Buffalo Creek and Garage. So that looks like a whole train right there. Zoom in, and something else there says Get Us Back Community Museum. So this is a small park. I believe it says American. See, American. What is that? I can't. Locomotive company. Wow. So I don't know whether this is actual train or this is how the train used to look like. Very interesting thing. I believe this used to be one of the old trains right there, and down there there's a museum. It's also a train kind of looking right. Let me see. Let's see this together, guys. This is a sample of how the rail looks like. I guess the old one. This is how they used to make it. You can see the bolts right there. You can see this wooden right here. And C&O 949045152. See right there. Gethersburg Community Museum. There you go. Right. Those who are joining the channel now, this is Mutua 3. from Washington, no, Gaithersburg, Maryland, and yeah, showing you some good stuff. The whole railway. So this says B and O. It looks like these are real train. I guess used thousands of years together. I think this is where the whole thing joins together right there. I'm not sure that you guys can see it well. It gets this backs up. This thing here, I think this backs up and it automatically clips on that thing right there in the bottom, and then it becomes a train. So this is a park, and this is where the actual train goes through right here. Oh, I'm surprised it's open, people can walk around here. Wow. See, I shall say Gaithersburg resting area, Scotian deck sleeper when wet. Right, let's walk together. Let's see. This is the closest I've come to, to the railway. I have never been so close to see these rails. Right, I thought it was not possible, not what legal, but you can see for yourself. The train goes through there, another one goes through here, and this thing goes all the way up this way and all the way down this way, that way towards DC. And that's our mini station. Guys, remember, this is not the underground train, the electric one. This is the other train, the whole train. So there are different types of trains here in the US. We have the newer, the electric ones, the whole system, just like the cargo ones. This says celebrating 150 years of trains on the Metropolitan branch. Wow. This is impressive, man. 150 years. Look at that. 1873. Let me zoom in. 1873 to 2023. Oh my God. 100 and... Wow. So there you go.
Yeah.
So, guys, that's a flight.
Read that schedule a little more clearly to see.
will.
The MARC train will eventually come.
Oh,
Thank you.
cars are still
I'm
crossing.
not
The
gonna
train
get
is
to
here.
work because the train could block traffic from
Yeah.
the
right.
What's going on? People are still crossing.
The gates are going down now.
Oh, there you go. Wow. Guys, watch. The gates are going down. The train is approaching right there. Let me show you. That's the flight train. So that is the train, guys. I'm sorry it's so noise over here. Please bear with the noise as I record. I am only 15 feet away from the train. 15 feet away from the train, guys. And the monster is still passing and passing. Wow, you can see. Let's enjoy this together, guys. My day off, so let's enjoy. I can zoom. It's right there. Wow, I can't even see the head. This thing is more than 2 miles long, guys. It's been passing 2 minutes and it's still passing. 2 minutes, you can imagine. It's coming to an end, guys. Let's This is the last one. This is the last coach right there. Whoa. Let me show you the gates opening right there. Wow, and the cars are moving. Wow, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Train passing. Wow. So guys, I'm Mutua 3 here. For those who are joining the channel right now, I'm just walking around the trains park, the park around the train station. You saw the train passing, and this is the park just around here. Walking around, it's my day off. And the next clip, I'll show you guys how taking a ride on the train to DC or maybe somewhere else, and also how it looks like. Hey guys, watch this. I was just driving home, and then at a railway crossing line. Oh my god, look at that monster. Look at that monster. Oh my god. See how long we'll be stuck here. Let's watch this. "41 seconds, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's almost 1 minute. Still waiting. Wow. So I wonder which side is he heading to? DC? Wow. What's that? What's that? Hey viewers, Mutua 3 here. I am somewhere in Virginia. This place, what's the name of this? Leesburg. And I was just heading home, and before I crossed the railway, the barrier came down, and for the first time I got blocked by a train. It's been a minute, almost 2 minutes. I'm still stuck here. The train is still passing. I wonder how many coaches. It must be more than 100 of them. Wow. Look at that. I hear the last engine. There you go. So there's one at the front and one at the back. The front pulling, the back pushing. Wow, look at that. Very interesting. Alright, the light's coming up. And it's time to go. Thank you.